Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I want to show you an update of what happened yesterday, why I take this particular trade yesterday. And if you watch my video yesterday, I released a video of what possible outcome is going to be. And yesterday we can see that it moved massively. Like as you see now, this is yesterday trade that we take on our crash 500 30-minute time frames. So what we do is very simple, is to follow our smart indicator very well. So now you can see that our trend go below the 20 level here. We can see it go below the 20 level. So what we need to do is to wait for the second window to also go below the 20 level. And once it go below the 20 level, all what you need to do is to spot your particular arrow that you want to trend. There is an arrow here which is green in color that you have to follow here, and the can it always appear for candle away from that particular area. So we can see this is our entry. We enter as early as possible because we think it's going to reverse at this level, but I do not follow that indicator at that particular frame. So I only take it because of the agnostic candle that I see here, and you can see that it retraces back, and before giving me a confirmation entry here, and we buy the market up to this level. So I decided to take it to up from all this level. I should not have closed my profit from this level. I should have wait up to this particular level. When this second arrow indicates to me that we are having a downtrend, that is when I'm supposed to close this particular trend. So just imagine how much I will have make with this particular long trade on 30-minute time frames. And currently now we are having another one running on profits. We can see we spot that particular area of our rejection area, you see. So it's going to be forming for us another above 80 level. So we look for an entry to confirm it, and we set down on little bit. So you can decide to close your profit on when you have your green indicator appear here, or you go for long time on your trend. So let me show you the second pair that we also take yesterday. So guys, we take that particular trend on from 1000 30-minute time frames. That is where we take our trade yesterday. So the reason why we take that particular trade, as we can see, we take that trade from year to year, and this particular trade per pair give me up to $30 on this particular trend. So the reason why I take this trade is that my indicator go below the 20 level here, and it's also go below the 20 level here, and I spot my green indicator here which appear here, four candle away from it, and you can see it appear around this particular area. So the market reversed a little bit on a loss of $10. Yes, on a loss of $8 to $10 here before it started moving up on uptrend massively. So I closed my trade at this particular area, but I know that I supposed to have closed my trade at this particular area when it show up another red indicator to me for a closing entry. You can see that. So I also take another trade yesterday, the same yesterday. I also take another trade yesterday from year to year, and we can see our indicator here go above the 80 level, and it's also go above the 80 level. So this is a confirmation for me to trade on a downtrend. So what I do is that I wait for this particular indicator to appear, and if you can't see it, it's going to be four candle away from it before it appear here. Okay, it's like 1 2 3 4. You see it's going to be somewhere appear here. So I even see the entry late, and I still enter because I have the assurance that it's going on a downtrend. So I go from this particular trend to this, and this fetch me about like 25 per trade per loss size that I enter, which is 0.2 loss size. It fetch me about like $20 on each loss size. So I closed my trade around this area, but I know that I supposed to have closed it from here, maybe four candles away from here, when this indicator appear that we are moving on the uptrend. So we can see now that our trend is still on a uptrend. So there might still be a down entry at any moment. When this our trend go above the 80 level, give us another confirmation then we still what, we still break it down. But one thing you need to note is this, that it will not break this same level, it will not break this level. So if you see your trade moving back, giving you another confirmation, it might not break this level. I've not seen any trade with this particular strategy that break this level. So these are the things that you need to know. So this indicator is what you can do, is what you can get, is what you can have access with a training video on how to install it and how to set it up like this, exactly like this. You just have to have it on your system. So you can use it to support your trade. It works on up boom and crash, it works on step index, it works on currency pair. So that is how this particular strategy works. So thanks guys.